Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about National Unity Day. So let's start. First one is the National Unity Day is celebrated on 31st October every year. Number 2, National Unity Day is the birth anniversary of the greatest leader of India, Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel. Third one is the National Unity Day was started in 2014 by the Government of India. Number 4, the day was started with an aim to spread the message of unity among Indians. Number 5, Sardar Patel will always remain the motivation of unity for every Indian. Number 6, Sardar Patel has always vision for a Shresth Bharat. Number 7, on this day, the statues of Sardar Patel across the country are decorated with flowers. Number 8, many educational institutions plan programs to spread unity among students. Number 9, the government also organizes various programs like marathon and campaigns on the day. 10th one is National Unity Day gives us the message to stay united and work with integrity.
Please like and share my video and also subscribe my channel. Pavisunshine.